Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. In today's video I'm going to be trying some new products and I'm so excited because I've been using these same products for a while and I'm like, you know what, it's time to try some new products. If you want to see all the products that I tried out, what are my thoughts. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I bought these products all with, my own money. None of this is like sponsored or anything. I would always let you guys know if anything is sponsored, and I'm so excited to try new products. I definitely haven't tried the brand Hask, so very excited. So if you guys want to see how I used all these new products, just make sure to keep on watching. Also make sure to like, subscribe. You guys already know the deal. I'm so grateful for you guys. Make sure to comment down below what videos you guys would like to see next or how you like this video. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay you guys, I am back with another video of trying new products. And I already washed my hair. I already used the regular shampoo and conditioner that I'm using right now, and I think I'm just going to have to spray a little bit of water throughout my hair, so I'm gonna do that. So starting off, I'm going to talk really quickly about the product. So I got the Tangle Teaser brush. I decided that I want to try a different brush. I love the Amazon Denman Look-alike brush. You guys know this is my go-to, the only brush that I use, but I've seen a lot of people use the Tangle Teaser and I want to put this to the test. I'm going to see how well it like brushes my hair, and also I'm going to be using it to do the technique that I always do with my Denman Look-alike brush. If you guys know the technique that I'm talking about, then you've been on my channel before, but I'm going to show you guys how I do that technique. So the first product that I have here, this is the Verb. This is the curl cream. This has shape plus define, defrizz plus repair. So this brand is relatively new to Ulta, and when I saw it I was like, I need to try this. And also this doesn't have any parabens, gluten or sulfates, so very excited about this. Now moving on to the second brand. I did get a second curl cream because I just couldn't decide which one to get, so I got both and I'm going to be doing one on each side of my hair. But this is the Hask Curl Care. I'm pretty sure that the Curl Care is pretty new to Ulta as well. And this is the curl defining cream. This controls frizz, hydrates curls, so that is pretty interesting. So I'm really excited to try this. Also, the Hask brand I've never tried before, like anything from their line, and they are pretty affordable, so very excited for that. This also has coconut oil, argan oil and vitamin C. And what I'm going to be using as gel, this is the curl shaping jelly. This has a hold of 3, and this has coconut oil, argan oil, vitamin E, same as the cream. Starting off with the brush, I'm just going to brush out my hair. And I did brush my hair before this video and I really liked the way that it brushes. I like how it's like a bigger paddle, but we're gonna be seeing the real test is when we do the technique that you guys know I love. So on this side, I'm gonna start off with the Verb, and let's see. I'm just gonna rake this through my hair. I can't really tell if I like this smell. I'm not really sure. Also, I'm a big person on whether stuff smell good or not. Now on the other side, I'm gonna be trying the curl defining cream. Just gonna be putting a little bit. I like how the Hask smells good. Definitely the Hask one is thicker, which I kind of like. I like a little bit thicker creams. So I'm just gonna scrunch this throughout my hair. I can already tell by putting on the product, I scrunched my hair a little bit, but the Verb is very, very lightweight. So we're gonna see how that does. Now I'm gonna be trying the curl shaping jelly and I'm gonna see if it smells good as well. Yeah, the hat smells like pretty good, not gonna lie. So I don't know if you guys can see that, like it's not that thick of a gel. So yeah, I'm just gonna be like raking this through my hair. Also, Hask is a very affordable brand, and I always wanted to like try products from them. Now for the real test, it is to use this Tangle Teaser as I would using the Denman lookalike brush. So I'm gonna grab a chunk and I'm just going to start at the root and do a little twist and pull through. And I'm just gonna grab it and go like this. I'm just gonna be doing this throughout my hair. You guys, so far I really like this brush. We're gonna have to see. Finished doing the technique with the brush, and I'm gonna be doing a close-up of how my hair is looking. There's the side with the Hask, like all the Hask products, and this has the Verb. I can already tell that the Verb is very lightweight. Also, the smell, not really a big fan, and I feel like that's a really big turn off for me. If products don't smell good, why am I gonna put it on my hair? Just being honest with you guys. So I'm gonna see once everything is dry how I feel, but I just feel like the Hask side, I really like the consistency of this Hask cream, and not gonna lie, the jelly is pretty lightweight. It's not sticky at all, but I'm going to let my hair sit for around 10 minutes, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair as I usually would. The video that I have on my channel on how I diffuse my hair, pretty much the same, and I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be right back with my hair dried. Also, my hair is getting pretty long. I'm gonna do a close-up of how my hair is looking. I don't know, you guys. I really like both sides of my hair. I feel like the left side might be a little bit more defined, but this side also is looking good. Now I'm just gonna do a quick run through of what I think of the final thoughts of each of the products. Okay, starting off with the Verb, I think that is a very lightweight product. It does make my hair, like this side does like look good, but the only thing I will say is that it has like this lemon, like this artificial lemon smell, which I don't really know how I feel about that. And you guys can follow me on my Instagram to see if I'm going to be keeping this product, and maybe I might try it one more time, you never know, to see how I feel about it. But moving on to this curl cream, I really like how this side is looking, and I just really like the hold of this. This reminds me of the Shea Moisture Curl Smoothie, which I love. I like thicker creams, and I really like this. I also think it's like very like hydrating. I'm very excited to continue using this product and see how it does with my hair, but overall I really like this. Now my final thoughts on the curl shaping jelly. What I do like is that it's a very light hold gel, so like jelly consistency. As you guys saw when I put it in my hand, it was quite slippery and it wasn't sticky. So if you're looking for a jelly consistency that's not sticky, then I would highly recommend this, because there are other products that are like a jelly but they leave like this residue that's very sticky. So I just really like how this wasn't sticky at all. I'm very excited to continue using this, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be keeping these two because I really like it. Another product that I wanted to talk to you guys about, which it's not new because I got this a couple weeks ago, but I've been really liking it because my hair gets very frizzy and I love to give a little like spritz. And this is the Weya. This is the Neutral Curls Fresh Up. It is an anti-frizz spray. You guys, this smells so delicious, and this is why I feel like I love it so much. But it's just one, like in the little range here, it just has a 1, so it's probably not like that strong like anti-frizz spray, but I just like to spray it throughout my hair, and I feel like it really does a good job of reducing the frizz because I have a lot of frizz. But yes, if you're looking for a anti-frizz spray that smells really good, then I highly suggest this. I like to use it on 2nd or 3rd day hair, and although this is 1st day hair, I like to give a little spritz because it just smells so delicious. Also, I literally didn't notice that I had a t-shirt in the back there, sorry about that. But my final thoughts on the brush, I really like this brush. Product wise, I feel like this is very like plasticky. It's also very like lightweight, but this just seems like very durable, which I do like. And I don't know, this just kind of feels like a little bit like plasticky, so I don't know how I feel about that. I did use this brush, as you guys saw, that I like to do the technique of doing like the little rolls, and I think it really does a good job doing that. And I like how the paddle is a little bit bigger, so when you're brushing your hair, like it does feel very nice like when you're brushing your hair. Overall, I think it's a good brush. Don't know if it's gonna be replacing my Amazon Denman lookalike brush, but I think it'll be good to add to the collection. But this is the end to this video. I love trying out new products for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.